Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am making M&M chocolate chip cookies. Stick around to see how I made it. These are the ingredients I'll be using today. I have some brown butter, brown sugar, white sugar, 2 room temperature eggs, flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, vanilla, chocolate extract. Of course, I've got my chocolate chips and my M&Ms. I'm going to begin by putting my browned butter inside my mixer and adding in my sugars. Make sure you get all the brown bits at the bottom. Those are very tasty. They kick up the flavor in your recipe. Next, I'm going to add in my vanilla extract and also my chocolate extract. I'm going to add in the room temperature eggs. Finally, the dry ingredients. Add a generous amount of chocolate chips into your batter as well as the M&Ms. Put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours to chill. Scoop out and bake at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. Now that my cookies are cool, I'm just going to put a few extra M&Ms on top and maybe some chocolate chips. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time for more recipes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Shalom.